we're gonna clean your ventless fryer today. The door is gonna come up and off, just like so. This can be sent back to the dish area to be washed in your 3-compartment sink or dish machine. It can also be wiped down with a mild degreaser and sanitizer towel if you prefer. I recommend sending it through the dish machine as it gets everything nice and clean. Next, you're gonna be able to pull out your basket and your basket rest. Lift up your heating element here. Give this time to drip off any remaining oil into the pot. For our purposes here, in the magic of television, we have an empty pot where we've already changed our oil out. This would be a great time to pour and strain your oil if you haven't already, if you were keeping your oil. We are gonna start with fresh in this situation. Zip tray comes out. Again, all of these things that I've taken out so far can go to a dish machine or 3-compartment sink. Lastly, I'm just gonna lower that down so it's a little easier. We're gonna take out our filter carriage. It's the clip here, it's up, it's down. You have this charcoal cardboard filter here that will just come out, and you will set it flat on a sheet pan or something off to the side. You also have this grease filter here that comes right out of this little compartment here. Both of these things can, again, go back to your 3-compartment sink or dish area for cleaning. Next, what you're gonna do is, while that's all being washed, you're gonna take cleaner, sanitizer, wipe the tops, the sides, the bottom, the outside, wipe everything you can down, gently wipe your arms down and your ansel system down so that you don't have any oil dripping, and get it nice and clean. If you do it every day, the buildup will be a lot less and you'll never have to really scrub. It's really important to make sure that the inside of this unit is clean. The more oil and stuff here, it could be a food safety thing as well as potentially a fire hazard if you have a lot of things there. If you take care of your Broaster equipment, the Broaster equipment will take care of you. All right, we're gonna reassemble your ventless fryer right now. You can take, all this stuff has been cleaned and dried up. You're gonna put your drain pan down here. Slides right in. Next, you're gonna take your filter carriage and your filter. Note this little magnet here. This will always go to the right. Putting it in. You'll take your charcoal filter, put that in. Notice the arrows pointing up to go up. Again, make sure that you're rotating filters every day. Now that you have this together, you'll notice these here. There's a pin inside the fryer here that these slide on. This will help guide this piece back into place. That clips in, and you're all good. All right, so now we've got all this put together. We've got our oil in our pot. We're gonna use this handy dandy dipstick here, hang this over. We're gonna use that to mark our cold fill line, and we're right about there. Now, once we get in and everything heated up, we may need to top just a little bit more oil in there once the oil gets hot. You lower that down, and you'll just cross-reference and check it with your hot oil line here inside the fryer on your heating element. Next, you'll put your shelf. And then, of course, your door can go back in. Nice and easy. Turn it on. Make sure your oil out. There's oil in there. Hit OK. And it will start firing up.